This is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to duplicate your Shopify theme. So if you're making any changes, and let's say you mess anything up, it's super quick to go and restore it to where it was before. So from our Shopify admin, let's head to the online store section in the left-hand side menu under themes, which should open up automatically. Now it's going to depend which theme you want to duplicate, as we'll currently have our published version here and all of our draft themes here. The process to duplicate a copy is to click the three dots and then just click that duplicate button there, and it's going to duplicate an exact copy, including any customizations you've made to the code of the theme as well. To note, there is a theme limit. You can only have a maximum of 20 themes at any time, and you just need to remove any unused ones to stay under. One thing I always do as well is once I duplicate a theme, I'll click the three dots and then rename it. And so you can give it the date as well. So I could say Dawn Backup April 26th, 2026. This makes it really easy at any point to go and restore this theme, as all I have to do is click publish on the backup version, and that will make backup live again on my store. Before I go, I want to mention my very own app, PRODKIT. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store, so you can know your profit instantly, and it syncs automatically with all your ad spend, cost of goods sold, and much more. It allows for one-click profit calculation, so you can skip those messy spreadsheets and understand exactly how much money your store is actually making. And it's got a ton of different analytics, metrics, and integrations, so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it on the Shopify App Store here under Profit Calc. I'll also leave a link in the description below. So this concludes the video here on how to duplicate your theme fast. Hopefully this video helped, and if it did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.